It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 30th of November. I'm James Spann. Rain and storms linger across the state this morning, but dry air begins to return this afternoon. Another rain event coming up as the weekend wraps up into early next week. Let's check things out this morning. A very deep upper trough that brought strong to severe storms across Alabama last night and early this morning. That was the radar at 5:01. A band of storms organizing from Huntsville down to Reform. A few scattered showers in advance of that, but that line will be progressing down through the state over the next few hours. And we had some pretty nasty weather last night. A lot of tornado damage. At least 3 people were killed in Rosalie. That's a small community up in Jackson County. And a facility in Ider was hit, a 24-hour type daycare with 4 children in critical conditions. So a very bad night last night. And a lot of cleaning up will take place across the state today. Check the numbers across the Deep South. You can see the effect of that front. Birmingham at 72 early this morning. You cross the front, you've got 37 at St. Louis, 46 at Little Rock. And the cool air wins the battle. Highs tomorrow should be in the upper 50s around here. And the dew points are sky high as the day begins. The dew point down at Alexander City is 70, Birmingham at 66. And accordingly, we still have a tornado watch for parts of Alabama in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. I think the main threat will be from gusty winds and flooding. I'd say it's a low-end threat, but still a tornado watch until 10. That includes Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, back up into parts of Tennessee and Georgia. This is the convective outlook for today and tonight. You can see a marginal risk up the Atlantic coast to New Jersey. In our state, a marginal risk from Birmingham south, the standard slight risk south of a line from near Roanoke to Clanton to Linden. And the main threat for South Alabama later today will be from strong gusty winds. A tornado can't totally be ruled out, but it's not especially likely. But wow, this is good. Look at the rain for the next 7 days. This is additional rain, amounts of about 5 inches for much of the state, just what the doctor ordered. Let's check it out, model fans. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at noon. You can see the trough rotating through. Showers and storms will be ending from northwest to southeast during the midday hours. This is 1 o'clock today off the HER. And at that point, the rain is over for Birmingham, Anniston, Tuscaloosa, Gadsden. Still raining down at Auburn. We've got the 7A state championship football game down there tonight. Hoover versus McGill-Tulane. The rain should be gone by the time that game begins. And we'll probably start to see some clearing this afternoon. Tomorrow is sunny and cool day. We start the day in the 30s, the high in the upper 50s. And pretty much the same thing on Friday. Lows in the 30s, the high, I'd say low 60s on Friday afternoon. What about the weekend? This is Saturday, and disturbance off to the west with rain increasing. I say clouds will increase during the day, and here comes the rain on Sunday. Periods of rain likely, no severe weather. Highs will be in the 50s. The air should be stable. Now, Monday, the GFS suggests there could be a break in the rain. We're going to leave a chance in there, but we have a deep surface low forming east of Denver. The Gulf of Mexico wide open. That could be a severe weather issue for parts of the southern plains. And then Tuesday, the low moves north, and we are in another rain event. This is a week from today, Wednesday, the 7th of December. Big trough to the west, and yet another storm system and more rain and storms. And this is Wednesday night of next week. And again, that might be a deal with strong to severe storms. Deep surface low that's over Michigan, blizzard conditions for parts of Wisconsin, upper Michigan if this is right, maybe Chicago, but very active weather, obviously. And then this is the Thursday of next week, the 8th of December, and how about a chance of snow flurries here? Wow, 970 millibar low north of Michigan. Rain and storms on the eastern seaboard, much colder air, the coldest of the season flooding in here. And on the backside of that, this is suggesting maybe some snowflakes. And of course, this will change, but it's an interesting idea. And then Friday the 9th, we are cold and dry. Look at the anomalies. Temperatures way below average. We might see some spots over North Alabama holding in the 30s all day if this verifies. And this is the end of the forecast period. This is the 10th, Saturday. Troughing rotating through the northeastern states, and we are cold and dry. European ensemble output for 45 days. Check the bottom graph, the ensemble mean. Yeah, this is suggesting 10 inches of rain between now and mid-January. Bring it on. And the numbers, highs drop back in the 50s after today for a while. And look at those 40s, highs in the 40s in here by December 9th, December 10th, and I think mornings will be considerably colder than what you see there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.